guys, we are doing the trip from Vatland to Jersey. And we are going really slow now. He's got back there going. So I enjoy the ride and I shall there's a boat right over there. See that little white dot? Yeah? Yeah? That is actually another boat over there. I know, it's very far away. Looks like a cruise ship to me. Oh no, yeah, I'm sorry, just need to leave. Sorry. Okay guys, continuing with journey. Folks, I will be doing a video getting off, but that will be a separate video. Can I just quickly show you the ticket?
Let's do your one, or do you want to do both?
My one. That was my ticket, that's my name, CO. And there's the logo. So now I'll pass it back to my man. By the way, folks, if you want to know what a Commodore Clipper cabin looks like, that is what it looks like. That's the cabin door. Show you that. And in here, there's a toilet. I went for my wee, so I'll just put the lights on. There we go. There's a shower, sink, cups. So I'll just shut that and rest my bed with my laptop. I don't upload this on my laptop, by the way. And that's just my nan's bed with random stuff in there. Now, go back to the window. I don't know. I wish that I'd really like going to like the lounge.
It's noisy in the lounge, Corey, and I don't travel well. Keep on telling you.
But I only want to go into the lounge so I'll get a better view for YouTube. I'm not filming outside, I just want to film from the window in the cabin because this window is tiny. Please?
Not yet, maybe a bit nearer when we're near Jersey.
Okay, folks.
Maybe
I'll film in the lounge.
But then we're going to have to take all our stuff with us and clear it off the cabin. And I don't want to do that yet. Okay?
When?
Maybe, or you can definitely take it docking into Jersey by Elizabeth Castle.
I wonder if that's the Commodore repeat. I was just about to say Express. But I know when, no, repeat. Otherwise, I'm drinking.